Hey beautiful people, you're welcome back to another video. There is good news from New Zealand and I want to share it all with you in today's video. If you want to move to New Zealand for work, you're in luck because New Zealand is opening 2 new work visas that you can apply for in a few days time. So please do watch to the end so you can get all the information on who can apply for this work visa, all the roles that are eligible to apply for the work visas, and I also have the list of employers that are willing to sponsor your visa to New Zealand. So please do watch to the end. If it's your first time here, you're welcome. My name is Jackie and here I share information to open your minds to opportunities that are available to you abroad. So do subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications so next time I share a new video you'll be notified and you get to watch it. If you'd like to have a one-on-one consultation with me where we're going to talk privately over a call for your own personal needs to move abroad, then do send me an email or use the links down below. If it's your first time here, please do comment "It is my first time" in the comment section and I have something very special for you. If you want to make $1,000 every month from the comfort of your home without doing anything, then I have the perfect opportunity for you. Here you're going to have a monthly income without doing anything. Have you ever heard of passive income? That money that comes in without you having to actively work for it. That is what I am talking about. So let me tell you exactly how you can make $1,000 every month without doing anything. You can start a publishing business on Amazon KDP. Amazon is the biggest e-commerce platform in the world with over 2 billion active users every month. So they have the customer base that are waiting for you to publish your books so they can purchase them from all around the world. You don't need to be a writer to do this. You're not writing any books because you're publishing public domain books. These are books that are best-selling books globally and are highly in demand at the moment. All you need to do is buy these manuscripts that have already been formatted, edited and ready to publish. So you buy your manuscripts from www.stackly.com, you publish it on Amazon KDP and Amazon pays you every month forever. I started my publishing business over 6 years ago the same way and I still get paid today for doing nothing. When you buy your pack of manuscripts, Stackly is going to give you a free training that is going to be a step-by-step guide on how to start and how to be successful in the business. It's going to show you how to create your KDP account, how to publish your books, and how to get paid to your local bank account anywhere in the world. You also get the privilege of joining an exclusive publishers group that has publishers from all around the world. So when you buy your pack of manuscripts from Stackly, do send me an email so I can add you to the group. Stackly currently has 4 manuscript packs you can buy. There's a pack of 30 manuscripts, 60 manuscripts, 150 manuscripts, and 300 manuscripts. Feel free to buy any one you can afford, but I highly recommend the pack of 300 because obviously that is where you get to make the most money, and that is exactly what I did. I got my 300 pack of manuscripts from Stackly over 6 years ago, and I am getting paid every month for doing nothing. So buy your manuscripts from stackly.com, publish your books on Amazon, sit back and get paid every month forever. All the links are in the description box below or send me an email and I'll share the information with you. I've been doing a lot of videos about New Zealand recently because New Zealand is one of the easiest countries to move to right now. And good news, I just got a message from one of our subscribers, and she landed New Zealand today. She is now in New Zealand and she just got this information only 3 weeks ago that I posted it. And immediately she joined my mentorship program and today she's in New Zealand. So that aside, I just wanted to share that good news. If you like to land an overseas visa sponsorship job real fast, I recommend that you join my mentorship program for work visas. In this mentorship program, I'll be helping you to move abroad for work by streamlining your professional career, helping you with your CV and cover letter, prepping you for interviews, and giving you direct access to thousands of employers in the top countries you love to move to. My work visa mentorship program covers all countries: the US, Canada, UK, Germany, Japan, anywhere around the world you want to move to for work. I can help you get that done. To join my mentorship program, please do use the link in the description box below or send me an email and I'll share the instructions with you. The WhatsApp group has opened already and so many of you have joined. So join us in the WhatsApp group. We're going to be having live sessions on Zoom. There are so many bonus resources you're going to be getting from joining my work visa mentorship. So if you want to land an overseas job, a visa sponsorship job, you want to have access to direct employers that are hiring internationally, then please do join my work visa mentorship program. So today, right, let's talk about these 2 new work visas New Zealand is launching. They have announced it and they said it's going to begin on the 8th of December. So in a few days, you can apply for either of these 2 work visas. Let me just show you everything from the New Zealand immigration website. So let's just get into it, right? So this was announced just on 11th of November. They said new seasonal visas open 8th December 2025. So we are just a few days away. From 8 December, applications will open for 2 new seasonal visa options under the accredited employer work visa framework, the global workforce seasonal visa and the peak seasonal visa. Yeah, so here they said we are making it easier for employers to hire seasonal workers. The 2 new visas will make it easier for accredited employers to hire for genuine seasonal roles while keeping checks in place to prevent misuse. Most of the conditions of these visas will be the same as any accredited employment work visa, and to change any conditions, applicants will need to apply for a job change. So number 1 is the global workforce seasonal visa. This visa is for roles that are genuinely seasonal and has specific requirements, including number 1, employers do not need to advertise the role in New Zealand and show they have tried to hire New Zealanders, so that is off. So it's going to make it easier for employers to hire. And then the visas will be granted for 3 years. So this is a 3 years work visa, and applicants are required to meet health and character requirements. That one is the same with the other visas. So number 2 is a peak seasonal visa. This one is designed for short peak periods and has specific requirements, including employers must advertise. So that's the difference between this one and the other one. So this one, employers have to advertise and prove that they can't get someone within New Zealand, so they have to hire, internationally. And then employers must either engage with Work and Income in good faith for the proposed roles or gain PSV endorsements from Work and Income. And then visas can last for up to 7 months, and applicants need at least 1 season of relevant experience within the last 3 years. All right. Okay, one thing I didn't even mention about the first visa is this: English language test is not required. All right, so you don't need IELTS for this, no English language test at all. And the second one as well, you don't need it. Okay. And then what applicants need to prepare is number 1, you need to get a job offer and employment agreement. All right, so you need your seasonal work experience. If you're going for the GWSV, you need at least 3 seasons in the same similar role within the last 6 years. And if you're going for the PSV, you need at least 1 season of work experience in the last 3 years. All right. And then you also need proof of seasonality, health insurance, and then some other things here. You can read these ones on your own. So let me show you the roles that can be under these visas, because you're wondering, okay, seasonal work visa, if you've never heard about it, what is seasonal jobs, right? Back in April of this year, I did a video about it when New Zealand first announced that this visa was coming. They did mention the roles back then. If you're old to the channel, you probably know what the roles are, but for those that are new to the channel and probably watching this for the first time, let us go back to see the list of roles that are eligible to apply for both of these visas. So this was the announcement that they had back in August, and let's just go straight down to see what the roles are. So for the GWSV, these are the roles covered under this visa: agricultural and horticultural mobile plant operator, agricultural technician, chairlift operator, tulip grower, thoroughbred yearling preparer, snow groomer, mountain or glacier guide, outdoor adventure instructor, primary products inspector, shearer, slaughterer, snow sports instructor, snowmaker, snow sport equipment technician, white water rafting guide, winemaker, winery senior cellar hand. Yeah. And then for the PSV, these are the roles: mussel or oyster farm worker, calf rearer, relief milker, forestry worker, meat boner and slicer, meat process worker, seafood process worker, winery cellar hand, and wool handler. All right, so those are the rules for these two visas. I think I'm going to drop these two links for you so you can just read, from top to bottom and get all the information so that you know how to best prepare yourself so that come December 8th you can apply for this visa. So one important thing about the visa is that you need a job offer. So the seasonal work visas have a list of accredited employers that can hire for seasonal jobs. All right, so there's a list of employers that can sponsor your visa for these two visas, right? So if the employer is not on this list, they can't sponsor your seasonal work visa. So only focus on applying to these employers. All right, let us look at them. Yeah, so this is the recognized seasonal employers list. All right, so this is where you're going to come to find an employer who is approved to hire workers from overseas on a recognized seasonal employer limited visa. All right, we're going to look at the visa also, but let's look at the employers right now. So this is it. The full list is here. There are 167 employers that can hire you. All right, so you're going to see the name of the company, and if you click the drop down, you're going to see their address, right, where they are in New Zealand. All right, and you're going to see when their license will expire and all of that, but don't worry about this, they would always update it. All right, so now what you need to do is this. When you come to this list, you just copy this name, paste it on Google. All right, let's do a demo. You paste it on Google and it comes up. That is the first thing to come up, and then you click on it. All right, or you can just go directly to the careers page, but I always feel like you should go through the company first, get to know what they're about if you want to join them. It's not every company that you work with. Okay, you need to know their core values, the culture of the company and all of that before you join them. So you come here, click on the careers page. So right here you can see seasonal jobs, right? Seasonal roles is here, so you just go ahead and apply for the roles that are open. So you can see what they have open at the moment. You just go through it and then you apply. They have here the application process. All right, so current vacancies, these are the two they have at the moment. So you come back to this list and do the same thing with all of these other employers here. So just sit down with these employers. 167 of them apply to all these companies. That is the only way you can get a job offer for a seasonal role that will qualify you to apply for the seasonal work visa. So now let us look at the visa. Here we have the recognized seasonal employer limited visa. So just get information about this one. By the 8th of December, I'm sure that they're going to release full details about the visa. Remember, it's on the 8th of December that you can apply for the visa. So this one is the one they have existing already, but I'm pretty sure they're going to make some changes to it. So the length of stay is not the same as that one, all right? Or the ones they are released, they are going to open in December 8th. But let's just wait till then to see more info. So this one, they've said processing time is 3 days. So in 3 days, you're getting the visa. And then every year, they need 20,750 people on the seasonal visa. I think that is a good number for a country like New Zealand. And you need to be 18 years and above. There is no upper age limit. So these are some other details, but I don't want to really go much into all of this since this is not the exact one we're going to be applying for. By December 8th, when all the information is put out there, I'm going to do another video for you. Trust me, I always bring you breaking news. So we're going to do another video and I'm going to show you exact information about the 2 new visas that are going to be opening. So let me know in the comments, are you interested in these visas? Are you interested in seasonal roles? Do you want to go to New Zealand to work on a seasonal job? Let me know in the comments so I can know more videos to do for you about this subject. All right, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so when next I share more info, you'll be notified and you get to watch it. Drop a comment below. Don't watch without dropping a comment. I always love to read from you and I reply all my comments. All right, and then if you want to talk to me one-on-one, you can send me an email. Let's arrange that. And don't forget, you can also join my work visa mentorship program. If you want to land a visa sponsorship job abroad, you can join my mentorship program. We're going to be opening a new one in a few days. The WhatsApp group is already open. People have joined already. So if you want to register now, registration is currently open, and when registration closes, we're going to start. Okay, so once we start, we're not letting people in anymore. So this is the best time to register if you want to land a visa sponsorship job abroad. Use the link below in the description box to register or send me an email. I'm really looking forward to seeing you in the WhatsApp group. Thank you so much for watching. Let us see you in the next one. I have an ebook for those that want to go work in New Zealand. I put together all the key information you need about moving to New Zealand. Information about the labor market, information about all the visas that you can leverage, information about how to go as a permanent resident, how to get your permanent residency, how to land a visa sponsorship job. I have a list of all the shortage occupations in New Zealand so you can know how to best position yourself to land a visa sponsorship job. I also have a list of employers in New Zealand, so direct contacts to the employers in New Zealand that can sponsor your visa is all in the ebook. This ebook is loaded, and I took my time to put together all this information so that everyone that buys this ebook will have clarity and confidence to land that visa sponsorship job in New Zealand within the shortest possible time. Buying this ebook is like me holding your hand and guiding you on the step-by-step process to move to New Zealand for work. I'm super excited for everyone that is going to be getting this ebook. So use the link in the description below to get your copy, or send me an email and I'll share the link with you to get your own copy. If you want to move to New Zealand, trust me, this is one ebook you need to get. This ebook is for everybody in all occupations, so grab your copy today.